There was once a traveler who carried a heavy bag wherever he went. Inside the bag were not stones, food, or clothing. It was filled with worries about tomorrow, regrets from yesterday, and fears about things that had never happened. As he walked, the bag became heavier. His shoulders ached. His mind grew tired, and the beauty of the path disappeared from his sight. One day, he sat beneath a tree and met a wise old man. The traveler spoke of his suffering. "My mind never rests," he said. "I think about what I should have done. I think about what may happen. I think about every mistake, every possibility, every danger. The more I think, the more trapped I become." The wise man smiled gently and asked, "While walking here, how many times did you cross the same bridge in your mind?" The traveler looked confused. "You crossed many bridges that do not exist," the wise man continued. "You fought battles that never came. You suffered from storms that were only clouds in your imagination." Traveler became silent. Many people live as this traveler lived. They believe that constant thinking will protect them. They believe that if they analyze every detail, they will find certainty. Yet overthinking rarely brings peace. Instead, it creates more confusion. The mind is a wonderful servant, but it becomes a cruel master when it is allowed to wander without awareness, like a monkey jumping from branch to branch. It moves from one thought to another, never resting long enough to see clearly. Imagine a pond of water. When the water is constantly stirred, it becomes cloudy. You cannot see the bottom, but when the water is left undisturbed, the mud settles and the pond becomes clear. The mind works in the same way. Clarity does not come from endless thinking. It comes from stillness. Many people ask, "How do I stop overthinking?" The answer begins with understanding that you do not need to fight your thoughts. Fighting thoughts only gives them more strength. Instead, observe them. When a thought appears, do not chase it. Do not build a story around it. Simply notice it. Overthinking creates unnecessary suffering. Most worries come from imagining future problems or replaying past mistakes, causing stress over things that may never happen. Many people believe that thinking more will solve their problems. They assume that if they analyze every situation, consider every possibility, and prepare for every outcome, they will find peace. Yet the opposite often happens. The more they think, the heavier their minds become. What begins as a simple concern slowly grows into a web of worries, fears, and imagined difficulties. This is the hidden trap of overthinking. It promises clarity, but often delivers confusion. It promises protection, but often creates suffering. Imagine a traveler walking along a peaceful path. The sun is shining, the air is fresh, and the journey is pleasant. Yet, instead of enjoying the road before him, he keeps looking behind him at places he has already passed. He worries about every wrong turn he made, and every step he wishes he had taken differently. At the same time, he constantly looks far ahead, imagining obstacles that may appear later, because his attention is divided between the past and the future. he fails to see the beauty of the present moment. Many people live in exactly this way. Their bodies exist in the present, but their minds are trapped elsewhere. Overthinking often begins with a desire to avoid pain. A person may replay a past conversation repeatedly, searching for mistakes. They may worry endlessly about a future event, hoping to prevent failure. They believe that if they think long enough, they will find certainty. However, certainty is rarely found through endless mental repetition. Instead, the mind becomes exhausted. Questions create more questions. Doubts create more doubts. Fear grows stronger. Each time it is fed with attention. Observe thoughts instead of fighting them. Thoughts gain power when we resist or chase them. Simply noticing them without attachment helps them pass naturally. The human mind is constantly producing thoughts. Some are useful, some are creative, and some help us navigate daily life. Yet, many thoughts simply appear without invitation. They arrive suddenly, bringing worries, doubts, fears, memories, and endless question. Most people believe they must fight these thoughts to find peace. They try to push them away, suppress them, or replace them with better ones. However, the more they struggle against their thoughts, the stronger those thoughts often become. It is like trying to hold a beach ball underwater. The harder you push, the more forcefully it rises back to the surface. True peace does not come from fighting the mind. It comes from understanding it. Thoughts lose much of their power when they are simply observed. Imagine sitting beside a river and watching leaves float by on the water. You do not jump into the river to catch every leaf. You simply notice them as they pass. Thoughts can be treated in the same way. Instead of grabbing hold of every idea that enters the mind, you can learn to watch them come and go. When a fearful thought appears, many people immediately begin building a story around it. A small concern becomes a large problem. One question leads to 10 more questions. Before long, the mind is trapped in a maze of its own creation. Yet, if that same thought is simply observed, it often loses its strength. You notice its presence without allowing it to control your emotions or actions. Return to the present moment. Inner peace is found in the present. Focusing on your breath, surroundings, and current actions reduces mental noise. The present moment is the only place where life truly exists. Yet many people spend most of their time somewhere else. Their minds wander into memories of the past or worries about the future. They replay old mistakes, wishing things had happened differently, or imagine future problems that may never come. In doing so, they miss the peace that is available right now. Overthinking survives by pulling attention away from the present. The more the mind travels through time, the more restless it becomes. But peace begins to return when attention is gently brought back to what is happening in this very moment. A simple breath can become an anchor. Feeling the air enter and leave the body reminds us that we are here, alive and safe in the present. Notice the sounds around you, the feeling of your feet touching the ground, or the movement of your hands as you work. These simple acts bring awareness back to reality instead of imagination. The present moment asks for nothing more than your attention. When the mind begins to wander, do not become frustrated. Simply guide it back with patience. Each return strengthens inner calm. Over time, you discover that peace is not hidden in the future or trapped in the past. It has always existed within the present moment, waiting to be noticed. Accept what you cannot control. Much overthinking comes from seeking certainty about the future. Wise action, combined with acceptance, brings calm and balance. Much of the suffering created by overthinking comes from trying to control things that are beyond our control. The mind constantly seeks certainty. It wants guarantees about the future, clear answers to every question, and assurance that nothing will go wrong. Yet life does not work this way. The future remains unknown, no matter how much time we spend worrying about it. Imagine a farmer planting seeds in a field. He prepares the soil, waters the plants, and removes weeds. But he cannot force the seeds to grow overnight. He understands that some things require patience and trust. In the same way, we must learn to do what we can, and then let go of what we cannot control. Overthinking often begins when we refuse to accept uncertainty. We repeatedly ask, "What if this happens?" or "What if things go wrong?" These questions rarely bring solutions. Instead, they create anxiety and fear. Accepting uncertainty does not mean giving up or becoming careless. It means recognizing the limits of our control and finding peace within those limits. When you focus your energy on actions you can take today, the mind becomes calmer. The future will unfold in its own time. Trust the process of life. Do your best in the present moment and release the need to control every outcome. In that acceptance, a deep sense of freedom and inner peace begins to grow. Understand that thoughts are not reality. A thought is only a mental event, not a fact. Learning to separate thoughts from reality frees the mind from unnecessary fear and anxiety. One of the most important truths for finding inner peace is understanding that thoughts are not reality. Many people treat every thought that enters their mind as if it were a fact. When a fearful thought appears, they immediately believe it. When a doubtful thought arises, they assume it must be true. This habit gives unnecessary power to the mind and creates endless suffering. A thought is simply a mental event. It comes, stays for a while, and then passes away. It does not define who you are, nor does it predict what will happen. The mind can create thousands of stories in a single day, but most of them never become reality. Just because you think something does not mean it is true. Imagine sitting by a road and watching vehicles pass. Some are large, some are small, and some are noisy. You do not chase every vehicle that passes by. In the same way, you do not need to follow every thought that enters your mind. You can simply observe it and let it continue on its way. When you stop identifying with every thought, a great sense of freedom appears. Fear loses its grip. Doubt becomes weaker, and the mind becomes lighter. You begin to see thoughts as passing visitors rather than permanent truths. In that understanding, peace naturally arises, and the heart becomes calm, clear, and free.